Unpopular food opinions. Cake is terrible. Coffee ice cream is the best flavor. Dark chocolate's better than milk. White chocolate's absolute trash. Sour over sweet always. If a dessert doesn't look pleasing, no point in eating it. Rice Krispies are so underrated. Sour candy's so overrated. Hi guys, it's a cake decorating video. There's not really much to this one, so I just thought I would do a voiceover and chat. Yeah. Firstly, can we just talk about the heat in England right now? It's absolutely disgusting, but also just amazing. Like I wouldn't have it any other way. Like summer over winter for sure, 100%. I don't even know why I'm talking about the weather. Anyway, I'm just doing like a basic coat, and then I did this like squiggly like thing. Can you see? Like I swirled it around and tried to make it look like a supermarket cake. And then someone knocked it, so let's just pretend we can't see that. Bye.
You have to stop trying to lose weight, darling. You are a winner. Winners never lose. We are not meant to be skinny.
Comment the first thing that pops into your mind as you look at this cake below. If it's not meow, then we're definitely on a different wavelength, but that's all that I could hear in my head as I was making this scary cake. I wanted to make him 3D, but his eye stalks just were too intimidating, so I decided to make him in a sheet cake, and I'm really happy he did because I think he turned out so cute. This cake is made with my favorite sheet cake recipe and then my go-to American buttercream, so no fondant. I tried to get it as smooth as I could, and I used an acetate sheet to help get that frosting super smooth. So now I've made SpongeBob, Patrick, Plankton, and Gary, and I'd love to hear what SpongeBob character I should make next.
My parents came to Australia with just $500, and as refugees from Cambodia, my parents weren't able to have an education, so they had to work low-paying jobs. The only way they could create a better life was to start a small business, so we saved up as a family for over 20 years. When you start a business, you have to do everything yourself until you can grow and hire staff. I'm not trying to glamorize anything. If I had a choice, I would do it the easy way.
This is your daily reminder to drink that latte if you're that hot-tay.